What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, bienvenidos. In today's look, I decided to do a part 2 Valentine's look. Been seeing a lot of trends going on Instagram where makeup is being done with little hearts here and there. I thought it was super cute, so I decided to give it a try. All the products I use will be linked down below, but if you guys like this look and want to see me create this look, stay tuned. Okay, so let's continue. So I already put the little sticker here of hearts. I'm gonna go in with the pink shade right here. This pink shade right here. I'm gonna go all over the eyelid, including the heart. Just buff it out. And this is it's a MAC brush, but I just don't know what number of a MAC brush is it. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with some concealer with the NYX Born to Glow. Just put a little bit on here on my hand. Grab a concealer brush. Just dab it in. Then we're just gonna pat that into the lid. It's kind of like you're doing a cut crease, but you're not doing a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this palette here, going with this purple color. Gonna use my Sigma X Roxette brush and just pat it in. You're gonna want to keep patting it in until it looks like all one color. Okay. And then you can actually go back into that pink we did earlier and just blend it in. It's been a while since I've been on here. Do you guys ever feel that you don't feel motivated? Although they keep saying, if this is what you want, you have to work hard for it. You have to fight for it. And I get that 100%. I go with that motto. But there are just some days. In my case, last week, I was just lost. I feel like I want to do this. I want this badly. And then for me not to show up or be creative, I felt like I was failing. I felt myself just not worthy of doing makeup. I didn't feel myself very creative compared to what I was seeing on social media. I'm like, okay, I'm not to that level. Why would anybody want to see me? I just felt not creative at all. And I put myself down because if there's something I want, I should be fighting for it. I should be working hard for it. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, but we're just gonna do a little bit of, it's gonna be a mixture of both. So I'm gonna go in with this purple right here, with this with this eyeliner brush from It Cosmetics. And I'm just practically shaping it. I was really close to buying my camera. Really close. I decided to be responsible and pay bills. But I was really close. Because I want to buy a camera. I want to have my phone with me and not record on my camera. Okay, so earlier today I went to Walgreens and I came across Tattoo Studio by Maybelline. It's a gel pencil liner. It's a dark black. And I'm actually going to use it as a wing, and I'm going to use it as a liner up on my lid, and then an inner liner in my lash line. And it's okay if you're not getting it perfect, because we are actually going to go back with that purple and buff it out. And then with this, it says called a smudger, this one right here. This brush, we're just gonna smudge it because we don't want it too dark. We just want it just enough. Then going back with the purple, I'm gonna go on the inner side. So my sister and I started to eat clean for the past, I want to say for the past month. We cheated on Super Bowl, which, don't get me started on Super Bowl because it wasn't the turnout I wanted it to be. But anyway, we cheated on Super Bowl, and then we were running out of food and we didn't go grocery shopping until yesterday. So I felt, I don't know about how she felt, but I felt I really fell off the wagon this week and a half. I haven't been eating properly. We were doing so good. Stuff happens, so I get it, but still. When you're doing so well and you like accidentally fall off the wagon, you're like, man, if I just kept it strong. Isn't it just awful when one liner comes out perfect and the other one you're struggling with it for the rest of your makeup? Like, you're like, okay, I can fix it like this, I can fix it like that. No matter how you've tried to fix it, it doesn't come out the way you wanted it to come out. That's where I'm at right now. Okay, now we're gonna go in with some primer. I'm gonna go in with my bestie over here, E.L.F. It's the Oil Control Primer Mist. I just like to pat it in my face. Okay, and then we're gonna go, because it's a Valentine's look and you want to look flawless, we're gonna go in with some foundation. I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant. Mascara, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Last Sensational. Last Sensational. My lisp really comes out from here. Okay. Ooh. All right then. And we're gonna let those dry. Then we're gonna do a little bit of concealer, which I'm actually gonna go back in with the E.L.F. concealer, Camo one. I used it the other day and I'm like, I forgot I liked it. Isn't it funny that when you stop using it for a while, you remember that you did like it, even though when you were using it, you thought it was a pain? I washed my brushes the other day. Not the other day. Yesterday. And I follow Melissa on YouTube and on Instagram, and she was showing that if you just wash your brushes in a like in a bowl, that way you don't have to have the water running all the time. It's actually faster to clean your brushes. So I'm going in with the Born to Glow by NYX. Just adding it in there. I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm hoping I get this video up on Friday for Valentine's, but if not, it's okay. I'll get it up Saturday, because I'm pretty sure some of you will still be going out for Valentine's on Saturday, even though it's pretty lucky that Valentine's falls on a Friday. Now we're gonna do a little bit on the nose here. Just a little bit. I say a little bit and you see a big thick line of concealer. Will I regret it? Most likely. Would I be able to fix it? Most likely. And then I need to really restock on my Baddie B lashes. The ones I'm going to wear, they're almost going to be falling apart here soon. Let me tell you. I just don't want to give them up because they're just so pretty. And to do a little bit of contour, I'm going to go use the Born to Glow concealer in the shade Mahogany. Okay, I like. Now that the mascara is dried, I am gonna curl my lashes. Just a tad bit here. And then we can put, while we are baking, we can definitely put the lashes on, okay? So let's bake. Okay, lashes are on. I swear, when you put lashes on, it just makes the look. I preach to that. Let's take off this powder here. Guys, we're almost done. I mean, it did help that I was playing with one of the eyes first, but hey, whatever cuts down time. Now I want to do some blush, but before I do some blush, I want to put some of these little hearts on again. And right there. And they can go as wherever you want them to go. I think 2 for me will be okay. Remember, you want to look cute. If you don't feel comfortable wearing these little hearts on your date, then you do not have to. This is something cute, trending. So I want to do it too. Now for blush, I am actually going to use another Reload Revolution palette. Reload Division is what it's called. Go in here. And this one is like really close to the, maybe that one. Really close to the Pam. Okay, and then smile. This look kind of reminds me of this cartoon character. She has like short hair. She kind of looks like Tinkerbell, but her hair is black. Okay, so look is almost done. I like the little hearts. I hope you guys can see them. Now we're gonna go in with this new lipstick that I bought, also from Maybelline. I should have done this whole video just on Maybelline products. I think, oh, you know, I don't have a foundation from Maybelline, but I got this one from Walgreens. It's called Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. Oh, there's a sharpener. See, now that's pretty cool. I don't remember the shade, but I actually have it on because I was testing it out and I was trying to take it off with the maker wipe and it stayed on, so I like that. I like it. I like the color. It's like pinkish color. I also like that it's not drying at all. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. All the products I used will be linked down below. But before you guys leave, make sure you like, share, comment. Give me some love in the comments down below. Let me know some ideas you guys want me to do. My mind is only that big. You guys help me out. But I will see you guys next time. Adios.